Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Positive Vibes with Sim. Hope you all are fine. Today I will take you to Indian restaurant and the Pakistani restaurant in Maldives. You will definitely love the delicious and scrumptious food they serve. As my channel is mainly about cooking, today I'll show you the easy peasy Aval Laddu to make. This is Khan's Hyderabadi Biryani House in Malé. Here you will get delicious South Indian, especially Kerala style and North Indian food. My favorite here is chatti chor. Chatti chor is a combination of rice and a variety of curries and non-veg item, all served in an earthen pot or a clay pot. They have so many variety of food like beef kabsa, chicken mandi, tacos, duck roast, and the list goes on. This is the iconic fish curry beautifully served in a cute clay pot with the candle lit. This is the King Salman Mosque in Malé. Malé is the capital and most populous city of Maldives. Now let's hop over to the cooking. If you're searching for easy and mouth-watering snack to munch with few ingredients, then try this poha laddu. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of peanut, dry roast it in low flame. After it cooled down, powder it or coarsely powder it like I've shown. And you have to take 1 cup of red flattened rice or white, anything is fine, and dry roast it in a low flame. When it turns super crispy, like you see in this video, then switch off the flame. When it cools down, add this into a blender and make a fine powder. In a same pan, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, that is ghee, and add half cup of coconut grated. Mix it so that the coconut absorb all the ghee. Just mix the coconut, don't allow the coconut to be brown. Here I have taken half cup, that is 5 tablespoon of jaggery powder. In that I am adding 2 tablespoons of water. When jaggery melts, switch off the flame. No need of any string consistency here. Strain the jaggery if any dirt is there in that. Otherwise, you can directly use it. In this jaggery syrup, add the flattened rice powder and coconut. Add the coarsely crushed peanut powder and 2 cardamom pods powdered. Mix this well. Make this into a small or medium sized laddus. Hope you like the recipes I'm sharing. If you like the recipes, please subscribe and press the bell icon. For dinner, we plan to go to Kanji restaurant in Hulmale, Maldives. It serves Pakistani delicacies and it is 15 to 20 minutes drive from Malé. This restaurant has an amazing artwork of local trucks, rickshaws and buses, and the decor was so colorful. This mixed grill platter was loaded with goodness. It was one of my favorite. Then we had chicken biryani and lamb peshawari. And we ended this evening with yummy gulab jamun and with Kashmiri tea, which was pink in color. If you like my videos and recipes, please do consider to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Okay, baby, we'll go.
entering the Malay. Then hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.